Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year. This video is going to be a haul. It's going to be my first haul for 2018. I've actually had some of these things already. I just haven't had a chance to actually record for you guys, so I'm going to do it in this video. I have to warn you, I went a little Rae Dunn crazy over the past few weeks. So most of these things are from Rae Dunn. They are the Rae Dunn mugs. And I picked them up mostly at Homegoods. Yeah, I think everything that I have today is from Homegoods. I just picked them up at a couple different Homegoods in my area. So, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys are these little ice cream bowls. I thought they were so cute. I picked up about 4 of these, and these were on sale. They were on clearance for $3. I thought this was so nice because I have kids, and I think my kids would think it's so cool to actually eat ice cream out of this. You have to be very careful though, because it is, I think it's like porcelain. Anyway, it's not plastic, so you have to be very careful. But I thought these were so cute, and they would look really good in the cupboards that I have in the kitchen because they're see-through. They're glass covered, so I wanted to display these and just have these looking out for when I have guests over. I thought it would be a really nice touch to the kitchen. Alright, and the next items that I have are these bowls. These were also on clearance. Most of the things that I picked up were on clearance. This is it's not a Rae Dunn, but it looks similar to Rae Dunn. I guess the piece, it just has like it's just a really like swervy look to it, like how the Rae Dunn pieces usually look. But inside is like gold painting with dots. So this one is actually like turquoise or teal on the inside with gold on the inside, and this one is orange, like a reddish orange with the word love in gold on the inside, and this one is orange with gold on the inside. So I thought these would really look nice in my cupboards as well, the cabinets to display. I have a few pieces that I actually display out just because I want a different kind of look. In the cabinets, I don't have everything displayed out there, but there are just some pieces that I do display just because it looks really nice when I have guests over. So these are the 3 that I have. So it's all white on the outside, but it's just different colors on the inside. Alright, the next 2 things that I have are these coffee canisters and sugar canisters. These were $4.99 at Homegoods. I don't really drink coffee, but when I do have guests over, they do drink coffee, so I like to have coffee in my tea/coffee station. Mostly tea for me because that's what I drink. But I do have coffee for when I do have guests over. And I do sometimes indulge and have non-decaffeinated coffee for myself. I just can't tolerate a lot of coffee, so I don't really drink it. So I got these 2 canisters. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them anytime soon. I just thought they were really cute because I like to switch up my kitchen, so maybe one day I'll probably end up doing like a farmhouse feel, just because, you know, around the holiday time you'll have Christmas, you'll have Thanksgiving, you know, so I like to decorate the kitchen according to the themes. And during the year when I don't have any of those holidays, I mostly go with like a rustic like farmhouse feel within my kitchen, because it's mostly white and beige and stainless steel in my kitchen now, that I did everything in gray. So these would go perfectly. So I didn't mention that this video is kind of random because not everything that I got is like within a perfect theme. Like these 2 items here, this is a blue just like canister. I was thinking about putting some kind of succulents in this one. It's a baby blue. I just love the color, so that's why I got it. And this was on clearance for $3 too. And this is a just a regular canister, $3 with the gold accents on the rim of it. And I thought it would really look nice, these two together. I have no idea what I'm going to use for them yet, but I just love the color of the baby blue, so that's why I got it. The next items that I picked up are these wine glasses and champagne flutes. Yeah. I actually got these at Homegoods in Florida. When I went away for the holidays, I went to Homegoods, which I shouldn't have because you can't travel with all of these things. But I did pick up a few of these. I picked up maybe like 3 of these or 4 of these, something like that. And I stuffed them in my suitcase. And I was hoping to God that they made it safe. They did make it safe, except for a bowl. But let's not talk about that. Anyway, I thought these were really nice to have because I do have wine glasses that I purchased from Crate and Barrel, which are a little bit more pricier, and from other places as well, like Macy's, you know, like the wedding collection stuff. So I have broken them, or my kids have broken them washing dishes, and I said, I'm not going to do this again. So I have wine glasses that I'm going to repurchase and actually put them in the back for special occasions when I'm having like a dinner guest or celebrating something. I'm going to take those out, but for everyday use, because I do drink wine once a week maybe, but I'm going to use these on a daily occasion. So these are the wine glasses and the champagne flutes, and I love the accents on them because they're silver, and it goes really well with my kitchen, being that my kitchen is mostly gray and white. So I thought these were really nice, and they look actually they look like real glasses from afar, even up close. But yeah, these are shatter and heat resistant, and they won't cloud or crack. So that's why I like these, because you know, sometimes you buy these plastic cups and they cloud, so eventually they'll not look as clear as they look. But these guarantee that they won't cloud, so we'll see. And the next thing that I picked up are these glasses. These are like margarita glasses, so they're like the miniature version. So I picked up about 4 of these. They came in this box, 2 a piece, and the box was on sale for $3, so you couldn't beat that. So it's about $1.50 a piece. And yeah, I just thought this was so cute. You know, when I get things like these on sale, I don't mind splurging on a couple boxes because the quantity is nice, and like I said, if I entertain, I can actually have these. These are not going to be for every day, but they will be out when I entertain and I have guests over. Alright, so now I'm going to get into my Rae Dunn stuff. Most of them are mugs. Everything is like mugs that I picked up. Back to my bowl that I got in Florida when I got those champagne and wine bottles, plastic bottles. I got a bowl from Rae Dunn in Florida, and I packed it and it broke. So I'll never do that again. Anyway, most of these are mugs, and I'll probably pick up another few pieces later on down the line and add to my collection, like the bowls and canisters and stuff like that, because I actually need more storage in my kitchen. So I am on the lookout. I'm going to get like a really big shelving unit from Home Depot, and I'm going to put it out, and I'm just going to display like a lot of my jars where I have my flowers and stuff like that. They're just white clear see-through jars, and I just thought that it would really look nice to display all of that like an open kitchen concept, like a chef's kitchen. So that was what's in my vision, so I'm probably going to do that. And when I actually put that up, I'm going to display some other pieces that I have, and most of them are going to be from Rae Dunn because I do like that farmhouse look. So this that I picked up is it was $9.99. It wasn't on sale, and it actually comes 2 in a pack. And these are the mugs here, and it says little and big. So I thought it was so cute because they're, you know, they're opposites, and I love the big writing on these. Now the Rae Dunn has a couple other mugs, and they have like different stylings. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, I just thought these were really cute for everyday, you know, keep by your coffee tea station. The next ones that I have are these mugs here. And this one says love on it. I thought this would be really cute for Valentine's coming up. Inside is pink. And I thought that this would be really good to display. The next one that I have, it says think. And inside is actually red. So this would be really cute to display as well. Have it on tea station. This one says think as well. So I got both of these that says think. And inside is red, so I can probably put both of those out at the same time. And the next three mugs that I have are these Rae Dunn mugs. They're round, similar to the Love one that I got, and these were $4.99 a piece. All of them were $4.99 a piece. I never see Rae Dunn on sale really, but this one says relax on it. Inside is like turquoise, baby blue, whatever you want to call it. And this one says explore, and see the writing on these are a lot smaller than the normal size big ones that you usually see all over the place. But I just thought it would be really nice to have a collection of all types. But this one says explore, and then this one says hello on it. So I thought these would be really nice to have out around Easter bunny time. Around April, around, what is that called? Easter, for the Easter time, because the colors to me remind me of Easter colors. So I would definitely have these put away until Easter time comes around, and I would take these out just to match the decor for that area, for that time. Anyway, that is all I have to share with you guys for today. I do have some more things that I'll probably do another video on. A lot of Rae Dunn. I'm just like loving Rae Dunn right now. So anyway, I will see you guys in another video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and show your love and leave your comments. I'll see you later. Bye.